My favorite products from Amazon for organizing small toys. These small magnetic bags are a perfect way to keep your magnets where your kids are going to use them without having every magnet stuck all over your fridge. If you have kids that love Pokemon cards, this small case holds over 400 cards and you'll both love it. These collapsible silicone bags latch at the top for a secure closure, and they're perfect for small items like Barbie shoes. I utilize a hanging closet organizer in both of my girls' closets for their small toys. We also love these small bins on our pegboard. My 5-year-old loves Legos and the mess. I love this zipper bucket with the built-in mat. Collapsible bin is also great for Lego Duplos and gives them a surface to play on. This little bag is perfect for small toys that your kids love to take on the go. And my girls are absolutely obsessed with this little jewelry binder for all their play jewelry. I utilize these adhesive hanging baskets in my boys' closets for their small toys. It's a great way to stay organized and use space that you normally wouldn't use. Plus, these zipper bags or small bins are a great way to ditch the boxes for puzzles and games. Everything's linked on my Amazon.